Hey, how do you spell grill? It's Grill. But doesn't it have an E? No, stupid. That would be grill E. Yeah, the E silent. The E is silent? No, it's grill. That grill E. Search. I'm getting barbecue grills. Well, I don't know. Use a dictionary. What is this, English class? What up, Tire Garage TV? Yo, welcome back to the channel. Yo, thank you for watching. If you've been here before, welcome back. If it's your first time here, then stay tuned, because you're gonna like this channel. My name is Pablo, and this is the Tire Garage TV. So, it's a little channel that I put together where I show you all the crazy stuff that I like to do with cars. From AC services to hitting trails, lifted up Jeeps to tires, anything, you name it, anything car related is what I like to do. So thank you for watching, and I appreciate you for that. On this one, I take you back a little bit. I take you back in time. Probably about a month ago is when I threw on the Raptor Grille for the 2019 Ford Ranger. This baby right here, you'll see it here with the original grille. We go with the Raptor Grille. We've already made a few videos on this truck because we did the LED pods that go up on the corner of the A-pillar, did the level kit and the mud terrain tires on this truck, and man, this baby's looking really, really good. It's turning out to look really, really good. Several mods, several stuff that we're doing to this 19 Ranger, and this thing's looking like a little beast. So let's go take a look at it. Let's go see how the truck ended up. We took off the grill, replaced it. It's an aftermarket part. It's not something you can get from Ford, but the thing looks badass. Honestly, it looks a lot better than it does with the Raptor, with the stock grill. It looks a lot better. You can find that thing online. I'll post it down below so you can see where to go find one of these. On top of that, I'm going to post some of the camera equipment or the other tools that I used. Go hit those links. Even if you don't shop for the tools, use the links to shop for anything on Amazon. It helps out the channel. Just help me support it. And you know what? I love you for that. And let's get on with the video. All right? All right? So let's get to work. Let's get to work. Let's get to work.
Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Life, though you lemons, you just put them in Coronas.
These are things like are accessories to fit it with, and these are actually the letters that go with it. Let's look at the instructions to see kind of what they say to do. But fuck instructions.
I'm zoning, fast lane. Living life up in the fast lane. Living life up in the fast lane.
Gotta disassemble here, and I think it's just probably nailed on, so screwed on. So let's take a look.
Living life up in the fast lane. Living life up in the fast lane. Living life up in the fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the
that worked.
ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Losing track of time, but it's always on my side. Hit the still to feel the vibe. On my mama, I'm so live. Popping bottles around 9, and them ladies about to slide. Hey, I'm just living live. I'm just living live. Hey, rolling. Don't know if I'm coming or I'm going. Home for the summer in Miami when it's snowing. Might just end up in your city, baby. You won't even know it. Might just find out from the ground while I'm posing with some grands. Hey, living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane.
So there it is. The grill is out. It's not perfectly easy, but it's doable. Okay. The really bitch to get to were these clips on the side. And those were the ones that were just holding the grill in place. The bottom ones, you can reach in and unclip them. Easy with the screwdriver. But the other ones, I got a big hand, so to fit my hand in here was kind of a drag. And then here, I disconnected that connector there. So let's make sure it's back on and in place. Other than that, this should be fairly easy. To pop it in is probably going to be a lot easier than taking it out. So let's do that next.
Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane.
So one thing I'm noting, this grill is a little bit oversized because it actually was a little bit over this light right here. So the edge here was a little bit further out on top of the headlight. So I had to kind of push it in, push the headlight out, push the grill in, and it actually is on both sides, which makes it fit really, really snug, which is a good thing, I hope. So yeah, it's in place, so it's not moving, so looks good. Okay, so we're good to go. Good to go on the grill. It's good to go. It feels a lot more solid than even the stock one, which is good. Woohoo! So there you have it. What do you think? Good looking truck, right? Man, that little Ranger looks good. That little Ranger looks good with that grill. And honestly, it felt more solid too. So the grill actually fit a little more snug than the stock one did. So it just felt more secure. Looks good, performs good, does what it's supposed to do, and yeah, can't complain. I think we'll cut the video short here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining us. I'm gonna post the Instagram up here. I'll put my Instagram up here and the shop also too. I'm very active on social media. Go follow those 2 accounts. Very active. Anything you need, hit me up. If you're local here to SoCal, if you're looking for a level kit or a lift kit for the truck like this, hit me up. I'll take care of you. So hit me up, DM me, anything you need, let me know. All right? And thank you for the follow. As for now, let's cut the video short here. Catch you guys on the next one. I appreciate you watching. I appreciate you being here. And you know how it is. So let's get to work. Let's get to work.
Living life up in the fast lane.